I summarize UK property market is very good for investor and very good for first-time buyer. London and surrounding London property prices have dropped quite significantly. That is a very strong opportunity for investor and first-time buyer to purchase in 2026. We have seen last 2 years high interest rate plus the living cost being way too high. Market was very slow. So this year, Bank of England taking action to reduce rate. They've done twice already, and we're hoping to drop more. That's going to bring a significant activity in a residential property market. I'm cautious in the UK property market because of investor nervous, first-time buyer nervous, families are nervous because of due to the political circumstance in the UK at the moment. Stability not there. On the other hand, if you see all the big institutions, they are pouring money in residential build-to-rent market. This kind of institution used to invest in commercial. Now they start investing build-to-rent and single-family houses, which is significant difference we can see. I strongly believe that, if you see the statistics, national house price prediction of 2026 showed growth to be due to 4%. But I believe growth will be between 3.5 to 7.2% average whole UK. But especially South London, be slightly slow because price still quite expensive. It is going reducing price. If you see the statistics, lots of areas, some of the area London price has been dropped by 27 to 30%. Which is opportunities given to lots of first-time investors to buy, lots of investors to take the position now in a good price. Rate goes down and the price eventually going to go up. So I believe if rate goes down by about 3.25% and a retail price hold by 3.5, we'll see big change. UK property price are widely expected to rise modestly. However, I believe southeast of England, which is especially London, and the flats are probably will struggle than houses because of services being way too high, and we can see the house has a less maintenance, less cost involved basically. I strongly believe that Midland up north will do well because of Manchester. We see the lots of young people moving out in the area. City has lots of activity going on, and city already has a lot of things to offer as good university and lots of students coming, high-rise building everywhere. I think that the way people converting from London south to Midland or Manchester way, housing price pushing up because of demand supply doesn't match much. To be honest, if you go out there, even if you go to pub, a pint costs still about £3-4. In London, you can buy even below £7. So living cost quite good. We will see lots of activity in central London. The expensive houses, they are always good. Like we saw lots of Turkish, Middle Eastern, and Asian buyer, and some American buyer, they are buying them. If Bank of England can manage to bring the rate down, that's going to significantly change the market. Sellers need to understand the market. Whoever they use as an agent has to give them the right information. They need to be honest with their data. So buyer has to do their own analyzing. Price has to be significantly right. And improvement in the house, how to sell, or paint, change the carpet, and photography, virtual tool, video, all these things become so important nowadays. I never worry about UK rental market. You need to market it nicely, present quite well, make sure details are right of the flat. As long as you have a trust, they trust you, they take flat, seeing you picture and online viewing. I believe rental keep going to go up and up, up and up. It will affect The small portfolio landlords, the landlords have managed themselves. They don't have a much experience. They're probably busy with their daily life and they're trying to manage this small portfolio. My advice would be please stay with the professional agents or take a professional advice to manage these things. Rules, regulation changing quite fast. As you know, from this year, April, new law coming in. As long as you know what you're doing, it shouldn't be any problem. But people like experienced agents should know the law, they know the legislation. But I think all at the end, we're going to work out well. Well, we saw the 2025 4-5 loss of landlord already pushed out. They are already gone. And the people survived so far, things is going to get better for them because of, again, rate going down and a rand always strong. I think this year we'll see a bit of settle, but big factor is government policy. It's too early to say at the moment, but I can see this year probably slightly better than last 2 years for landlords. 2026 looks like a promising year for the buyers. Overseas buyer will be remain strongly in London because it's one of the biggest city. Now we can see lots of new kind of geographical area buyer coming in, i.e. lots of Turkish investor coming in, and we always Middle Eastern buyers snap high-end properties, and we see lots of USA buyer coming in as well. I think it'll be a great year. It will be more challenging, as you know, we head into a very unknown area of IT technology. AI is the biggest revolution. We can see a lot of agency adopting it. It has to adapt, otherwise people will be behind. So agents has to be very knowledgeable, very communicative, and also always has to be available telephone or email. We need to improve ourselves in social media platform, AI platform, and communication platform. If agents cannot maintain these things, I think it will be very difficult for them.